Wherever you go in the world, we guarantee it won't be like this. If you're going to host an event, make it exclusive and exceptional, with experiences that can be found only in Cambridge. This stunning city is well connected, only 60 miles from London and just 30 minutes from Stansted Airport. It's a spectacular setting, yet compact and easy to get around. Cambridge offers astonishing and unique spaces for meetings and conferences. Events come alive with the spirit of learning that inspired Isaac Newton, Sylvia Plath, Stephen Hawking and Emma Thompson. Unwind and explore while punting on the River Cam. Glide leisurely with a chauffeur or make a splash on your own. Either way, it's an extraordinary only in Cambridge experience. The city oozes history, but incredible high-tech environments like this fizz with creative energy and keep Cambridge at the forefront of scientific discovery. Cambridge and the region has a range of hotel and restaurant options, from contemporary to unique and bespoke. And as for having dinner in one of the great university dining halls, well, it's a phenomenal experience like no other. It was in this pub where Crick and Watson cracked their secret of life, the DNA double helix. Yet another incredible episode in the life of beautiful, stimulating Cambridge. Why not bring your next event here? We'd all say cheers to that.